In this video, I'm going to show you how to create live engagements with text message voting. First, from your Digital Joy Engage homepage, click on New Engagement. From here, you can toggle text message to enable this as a voting option. As a one-time setup, choose a number that will be attached to your Digital Joy Engage account and click Confirm. You've successfully connected a text message voting number to your account. Optionally, we can customize some text that the user will receive once they send in their text message vote. Now we can click Next and set up the poll question for our engagement. Click Next and save the engagement. By clicking on the engagement we just created, we can see all of its details, including live results. Now, since our poll is currently active and live, your users are able to text this number in order to vote on the poll.